Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful property development? Stay tuned as I reveal the top 5 secrets that can transform your property development journey from zero to hero. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name is Peter Kelly and I share everything you need to know about property development. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And remember, for an in-depth guide, sign up for our free Fish subscription and unlock access to our exclusive $20,000 Townhouse Masterclass. Finding the right property is crucial to your success. Focus on location, market demand, and potential for growth. Thoroughly research the property's history and zoning laws. This groundwork can save you from unforeseen problems down the road. You don't need to use your own money to get started. Look into partnerships, joint ventures, and even crowdfunding, for example. Partner with landowners who want to develop but lack the expertise. Managing your project effectively can make or break your success. Create a detailed project plan, use project management tools, and regularly monitor the progress. Implementing these strategies can help keep your project on track. If you're finding these tips helpful, imagine what you could learn from our free $20,000 Townhouse Masterclass. Sign up for our Fish subscription to access this exclusive resource and join Australia's top property developer community. Understanding and complying with local regulations is essential. Work with legal experts to navigate complexities of property law and avoid costly issues. Maximising your returns involves enhancing property value and implementing effective marketing strategies. To boost your profits, consider renovations, strategic pricing, and targeted marketing. There you have it. The top 5 secrets to successful property development for beginners. By following these tips, you'll set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. And remember, to go even deeper into property development, sign up for our free Fish subscription on our Little Fish network and gain access to our exclusive $20,000 Townhouse Masterclass. See you in the next video.